Whew. So today is a pretty busy day today. We have a few things to do. We're gonna drop off some orders. We're gonna go to Daijobu Details. I haven't introduced him to the channel, but you guys will get to see him in the channel. He's gonna detail the whip today because this car has been long overdue for a cleanup, and I figured why not support one of the homies and go to him. Also, if you live in the SoCal area and you guys need a like good ass detail, Daijobu Details, we're stuttering the words. Daijobu Details is a place to go, and I'll pop it right here, of course, as usual. But he's the homie. He'll hook it up. Just let him know Phong sent you. Again, if you're in the SoCal area, hit him up, and yeah, I'll take care of you. But we're gonna go to him. We're gonna get the car basically cleaned up because she has been long overdue for that. We're gonna go also to Anthony's, and if you guys remember in Wednesday's video, we destroyed the front bottom grille. It wasn't the best, but it's fixable. It's fixable, so it should probably be an easy fix. I'm pretty sure by the time I get there, I'm gonna be late there as usual again, and he's probably gonna be already finished with it. But we'll see. We'll see. So we're gonna let the day begin. I'm trying to get myself pent up in energy. I don't really have an energy drink, but I got myself some electro. All right, so we're here right now. Let me show you guys the damage. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, maybe with all this lighting you can't really tell, but I know you can tell definitely here. Whew. No bueno. Oh yeah, that's bad. Not only that, but like the interior is pretty bad too. Let's see if you guys can see how like just the marks. Yeah, look at that. And these my last fits too. They're so dirty. So we're gonna get a before and after. We'll see the key differences. Yeah, look at that. Definitely been needing a detail. Of course, this always gets dirty, I'm sure, for everybody. Exhaust tips are dirty. But we'll get a nice before, and then we'll show you guys the after. As they're detailing the whip right now, getting her all cleaned up, as you guys can see, we did do something, which was get some more product pictures, because everybody loves the fitment kind of stuff. But fitment on this was definitely, I think, the key for this photo. Now, before I show that, let me show you guys this as well. Woo! That RX-7, yes sir. Now, this is definitely future goals. I would love to pick one of these up. This one's actually right-hand drive too, so that's pretty dope. But man, definitely next on the bucket list. Now, aside from that too, we actually have another cool car, which I will show you guys in a bit. But I did definitely want to show you guys this beautiful WRX on bags, and whoo, rocking the fitment kind of sus on them works too. Now, I don't know how often you guys see this. I've never really seen this actually, and wow, this is a lot smaller. This is way smaller than I ever thought. But for those who have watched Initial D, you would know this car. So this is for my Initial D fans out there, because this has definitely been exposed out there. This is also a car enthusiast car. But check out this cappuccino. Oh man. And this is honestly a lot smaller in person than you guys think. Dang. And of course, right-hand drive, as usual. But man, this is so badass. To be able to see this cappuccino, I wonder how it is to drive in it, honestly. And this is from Hello Senpai, so RX-7, and the cappuccino is from Hello Senpai. This is their cars right here, so if you guys want to check out their page, check it out right here as well. I'll post the Instagram and website link below. But man, This is nice. Let me give you guys a size comparison, like literally how I am compared to this car. Now as you guys can see, like I'm towering this car right now. Yeah, this is definitely, this is like my hands width-wise almost meet up. Not really, but this is crazy. This is definitely pretty small. So right now he's just driving to get all the brake dust off. Dang, I've never actually seen anybody else drive my car.
So this is all the brake dust that's on your rotor, and the product that we use after you do the drive around, it will blow all the brake dust off. So this is what it looks like afterwards.
So we got Lauren right here, Mr. Daijobu Details. But he's about to put on the it's stock, a nice 2.0. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna throw in that clip where you gap the that 350Z. The 350Z. That's full bolt-ons too, right?
Yeah.
So he's got the 2.0 Accord. Besides it pretending to be stock, what do you got done to it?
Intake, front pipe back, and then the K-tuner, of course. That's it.
Oh, okay. Simple mods, guys. Simple mods. And still be gapping fools.
Yeah. It's dirty.
Stock, guys. Hey, don't worry, it is stock. Plastic carpets are looking way better. Again, guys, if you guys would love a detail, Daijobu Details will definitely take care of you guys. Pop his Instagram right here. But they're doing it everything from front to back, inside and out, and making sure to take care of me. And on top of that too, especially for people out there who want a ceramic coat job, they actually do ceramic coating as well, so they do offer that on their page. So actually check out their Instagram. In their highlights, they have different plans. And again, everything's in-house, in garage, so you know you guys are going to be taken care of. You're just making sure that they focus on your car first before they do anything else. Not like those big, car wash companies. So you guys know you guys are being handled well. And it's a good time hanging out with the boys. Woo. Yes, sir. And she's all finished now, looking way better than before. Ooh, hey, look at that. It's pretty close to the ground. Am I low yet? No, just kidding. Wow, it's looking immaculate right now. So very happy, very satisfied. Thanks to the boys, Daijobu Details. Got the mats all cleaned up. Seat is looking way better than before, if you guys remember. Same thing with the center console. Everything detailed to the max. Hey, yo. Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, I'm in my work clothes right now. What?
All good. Oh, did you fix it?
Cut out all this hardware right now.
Oh, you really? Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, just replace all the hardware.
Oh, because these were all
they were all like flattened or fucked up. And I wanted to use hex bolts, not hex keys. Sucks using these things.
Oh, so let me see.
Yeah, so it was these before, and then I'm replacing it with this instead.
Oh yeah, those are a lot
so
better.
I can easily get them off when they get flat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice. You already finished it, huh?
I literally just finished.
Yeah, I got here.
Literally, I picked this shit up, dude. Look. Harbor Freight. It literally just fell apart. I didn't do anything.
That's Harbor Freight for you for sure, bro.
Fuck it, dude. It works. It's fine.
Alright. Well, we missed the install, but for those who are probably worrying about this from the last video, it's all good.
Oh yeah, I already fixed the mesh without taking the bumper off.
Oh, you fixed it without taking it off?
Yeah, I just
how did you
pick tools.
Okay, but how is it?
All I did was pull the mesh with one pick tool and then push these things down. I gotta fix that one. That one's sticking out a little bit.
Okay, and it just locks in?
Yeah, and just holds it like that.
Oh,
so I didn't have to take the bumper off. And I have to replace this lining.
Yeah, I know.
This got... Look at this. Well, it got destroyed.
Oh, what the heck?
I have to replace this lining.
Yo. Well, we missed the install part, guys, but it's all good. Oh, what happened to the fin?
I took them. We have to take them off to be able to take this off.
Oh, I see.
And I have to repaint them because I ran into a curb.
Oh, was that yesterday?
No. This is another time.
She's looking good. She's looking good. New hardware now for the bottom. Much better. Oh yeah, much better. Hey man, that's what happens when you just have fun in the snow.